Toy Genie Surprises. Hey guys, today we have a giant lockbox full of Disney Princess surprises. Super awesome. Let's find out what's inside. Let's start with this orange door. Let's get the key and let's unlock this lock. What's inside? We have Pocahontas! So cool! And here's another one. 2 Pocahontases. Now let's open this green door. What's behind this green door? I see Tiana! So pretty! And she's holding a frog. Super awesome! I love her beautiful dress. And look! There's a surprise inside. We have a frozen Vasham. What's inside? We have Elsa! So cute, and look at her hand. Awesome! Now let's get this yellow door. What's inside this yellow door? We have yellow flounder! Super cool! Let's swim away. And who else is yellow? Which princess is yellow? Belle! Princess Belle. Let's close this door back up. And let's give our box a turn. Let's find out what's behind this blue door. What's inside? It's Cinderella's fairy godmother. Super cool. And who's in here? Cinderella. Now let's give our box another turn. And we have another green door. What's inside? Or who's inside this green door? We have Ariel! Super awesome. She has a green mermaid fin. And who else do we have? Glittery green Pascal. Whose pet is Pascal? Rapunzel, that's correct. Now let's open up our yellow door. Who's inside this yellow door? What's this? We have a Disney Princess buildable. Who's inside? Could it possibly be Belle? Nope. It's Aurora. Sleeping Beauty. She does have blonde yellow hair. Her dress is pink. Let's put her body on top of her dress. Super cool. Her head on top of her neck. And let's give her some hair. So pretty. Let's go. And what else is inside? We have Mrs. Potts from Beauty and the Beast. And here's Anna. Let's close this door back up. And let's find out what's behind this green door. Let's open it up. Who's inside? We have Jasmine. Beautiful Jasmine. And who else is inside? We have Rapunzel. Look at her beautiful blonde long hair. This time she's wearing pink instead of her usual purple. Let's close this back up and find out what's on the other side of this box. What do you guys think is behind this blue door? Let's see. I see someone peeking out. It's Olaf. And who else? It's Mulan. And we have a Disney princess fashion. Who can we get out of here? It's Ariel. Super cool. Let's close this back up, and we have 2 more doors up on the top of the box. On the top of the box, we have a dark blue door. Let's open it up. Who's inside? We have Ariel in a blue dress. And what's this? Whoa, will it come out? It's stuck. Oh, no, it's not. Here's a Disney Princess gem surprise. Let's find out who we got. We have a green box, green glittery box. It's so pretty. And here's our background. What do you guys think this is? It's Aurora, Sleeping Beauty. That's why there's a bed in the back. Super cool. And finally, let's find out who's inside our red door. Who's inside? Can you guys see? Let's try to get it out. We have Cinderella. She's running away. Who else? We have Snow White. She's wearing a red bow. And what's this? It's Maleficent. There were so many doors on this box, she went into the wrong door looking for Aurora. Thank you for watching the Toy Genie channel, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That lets me know to make more videos just like this for you. Click or tap on these videos to watch it. Click or tap to subscribe. It's free. Plus, you get to see my latest videos. And until next time, be happy and keep smiling.